Hey everyone, and welcome back to this week's Market Bite. I'm Stephanie Ross.
And I'm Kelly, and today we're going to talk about one of the most important topics of coastal homeowners, year-round maintenance.
Absolutely.
Whether you're here full-time, part-time, staying ahead of all the coastal elements to protect your investment gives you good peace of mind.
It
Don't you
is.
think?
Living by the water is incredible. I don't think anybody would argue that. But the salt air, the humidity, and the storms can be tough on our properties. Today, we're going to talk about 3 or 4 things that we thought were the most important that you need to stay on top of year round.
And the number one thing is protecting your exterior surfaces.
Yes.
Salt air is amazing for your soul, but it's really hard on all your wood and
Property,
metal
yes.
and all the things related to your property.
That is correct. We recommend power washing once or twice a year. Check for peeling paint, reseal any wood areas that are showing some wear and tear. Use marine grade paint and stains on your decks and porches, railings, siding. You can't always see the salt on there, but it's doing its job. It really does help to pressure wash it and keep it clean on a regular basis.
And don't forget the metal fixtures like your hinges and your fasteners and your light fixtures. A quick rinse, or sometimes they have protective sprays that you can spray on there, really keeps down the corrosion.
Absolutely. The other thing that's super important is roofs and gutters and proper drainage. Storms mean wind and rain, and they're not always, everybody thinks of hurricanes here, but we have them all year long. And being at the coast, we have wind that goes along with it.
We do.
The roof needs to stay in good shape, and just year round, you need to check on it all the time.
We do, and we recommend to our clients that they do annual roof inspections. Especially after major storms, but it's a good idea to take a quick look up there, see if everything is still intact, no loose shingles or fasteners or the flashing.
Right.
One thing that some of the inspectors now have are drones, and they take the drones up there and they can give it a quick look, and that's a good way to.
Right, and the nice thing about checking those is if you check them before a storm, you may not have as many problems, and that's why we say do them at least year round.
Yeah.
Check before, check after. You don't want that to be the first sign of it being water in your house. More important to go along with that is keep your gutters clean. I know I personally have a lot of problems with pine straw, and it can clog up your gutters, which can get back down behind your siding. It can get down to your foundation. It can come in your walls, and it just causes a lot of problems. And more importantly, after that, is if you keep your gutters clean, make sure your downspouts are directed and not buried in the ground, and they're cleaned out as well, so that all the water is taken away from your home and doesn't compromise your foundation in any way in the soil around your house.
And the next thing that people underestimate is humidity control.
I agree 100%.
The coastal moisture can get into your furniture, your floors, your walls. It might be a good thing to consider getting what they call a smart thermostat installed.
Absolutely a good idea.
The next thing that people underestimate is humidity control. It gets into everything. It gets into your furniture, your floors, your walls.
I agree. And it is underestimated a lot.
It is.
And to mediate that is important, to monitor your air conditioning settings, your HVAC settings year round, and keep them in a good range and not turn your system completely off because you're going to be gone for a few months. That's horrible for your home.
It is horrible.
It affects all your building materials and flooring, etc.
Might be a good idea to install a smart thermostat.
Absolutely a great idea.
Our weather here in North Carolina is up, down, up, down. It's all over the place. And if you're not here all the time, you can regulate the temperature.
That's true.
With your smart thermostat.
And if you keep your system running all year round, it makes it important to keep it serviced. We recommend twice a year. Change your filters often, and you can consider dehumidifiers in closed off spaces. Keeping the indoor humidity between 45 and 50% is recommended to avoid mold, mildew, musty smells. I know everybody's walked into something that's been closed off for a while and you smell a little mustiness. And with our humidity here at the coast, it's very important to pay attention to those things.
So maintain your HVAC system. It will save you money in the long run, for sure.
It runs more efficiently, for sure.
It does.
The last thing we have to talk about is windows and doors, and they are so susceptible to damage and problems and compromise, conditions with weather. We have a lot of wind and rain like we talked about, and it's year round, and the windows and doors are where we see the first exposure that is compromised in there.
Check your door seals and make sure your doors, windows, the seals are tight, and your storm panels operating correctly. And if you've upgraded to the impact rated windows, make sure you follow the manufacturer maintenance tips to keep the warranty intact.
Very important. So many people forget that.
It is. And did you know that installing those type windows, the impact rated windows, lowers your wind and hail portion of your insurance?
That is an excellent point. I'm glad you brought that up because we need to, all these things help manage your insurance levels and your insurance claims down the road. One other thing that can impact your windows mainly and some doors is clean your yard up. Keep the debris, any loose debris, do it on a regular basis. It looks nice. But anything that could possibly be, driven by rain, can become a projectile and break windows and stuff like that. So that's just a simple thing on the side.
It is. And when you're building a new construction, some of these maintenance tips can be made easier if your material selection with the material selections
with proper material selection. Yes, absolutely.
Yeah,
I agree.
So keep that in mind.
It is. Make it easier as you go. Save yourself some trouble.
Oh yeah. Well, Stephanie, taking these steps throughout the year helps protect your home and your investment and your long-term property value.
You're right. If you're thinking about buying or selling at the Crystal Coast, if you need a list of local pros for inspections, maintenance, give us a call. We're here to help you, and we always want to know that we're part of you enjoying your amazing coastal lifestyle in your property here.
Yes, that's great.
It is. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.